Have you ever wondered who the very first person was to start dancing? Think about it. Thousands of years ago, everyone was busy trying not to get eaten. Then one person suddenly starts moving their arms, stomping their feet, and shaking their hips for absolutely no reason. Imagine being the other cave people. You'd probably think they'd lost their mind. The funny part is, nobody knows who danced first. Unlike tools or cave paintings, dancing doesn't leave behind fossils. There isn't an ancient footprint that says, "Congratulations, you invented breaking it down." But scientists have a pretty good theory. Early humans almost certainly discovered rhythm before music. They heard thunder, waves crashing, animals running, and the steady beat of their own hearts. Eventually, someone started clapping. Someone else copied them. Then feet joined in. Before long, entire groups were moving together. And that's where things get interesting. Researchers believe dancing wasn't just entertainment. It may have helped people bond, celebrate successful hunts, scare enemies, attract partners, or even communicate before spoken language became fully developed. In other words, dancing might actually be older than music itself, which means the first dance probably didn't happen at a party. It happened around a campfire, surrounded by people wearing animal skins, watching one brave soul bounce around while everyone else wondered whether this was a genius or a complete idiot. The best part? Thousands of years later, almost nothing has changed. People still gather in groups. Someone starts moving first. Everyone watches awkwardly for a few seconds. And then suddenly, the whole crowd joins in. So whoever invented dancing didn't just create a new way to move. They accidentally started a tradition that billions of people still can't resist.